beautiful day and I've just finished work. Obviously, most of you viewers know that I own this ST over here, but this is Corley's. Is it the M135i? Is that correct?
It's a 135i.
Yeah. So Corley has basically just put a straight-through exhaust on his car. And who did the exhaust setup for you, Corley?
Tavistock tyres, I think.
Tavistock tyres. So they've basically done him a custom straight-through exhaust, and this is what it sounds like. Whack it on, dude. Oh my god. But what we're going to do is take this thing out for a spin. I'm going to have a little go as well, so that's the plan. Corley, do you want to tell the camera anything about yourself, seeing as you made an appearance last time?
I'm 23 years old. There you go.
You love a donkey.
Yeah. Right, so anyway, the incentive of this video is just to go out and piss people off.
Yeah, that's pretty much how it is.
Yeah, so that's the goal.
We have a choice, to be fair.
It's funny to scare the fuck out of people.
Oh my god, this is so loud. Yo guys, so as you can see, we're in the M135i. BMW, when is it? 2008, is that correct?
Yeah, 2008.
So it's a 2008 BMW M135i. 2008 BMW M135i. 2008 BMW M135i. What engine are we running in this?
It's a 3 litre twin turbo.
3 litre twin turbo. And
We love it. We love it.
yeah, guys. Anyway, I'm gonna stop chatting, and we're just gonna give you lots of angry noises. So stay tuned, and I will not disappoint. Peace.
And you're saying that's not too loud?
No, we haven't got there yet. Right, guys. The police station's just up here, so you're gonna have to make loads of noise as we go past it. Yeah. Don't be a pussy.
I've got to try and feather the fucker. Easy does it.
This is the police station, guys.
You don't know what's under this car.
No.
Oh, it's an ambulance. It's a ambulance.
To be fair, I thought it would be more terrible whistle than it actually is. Do you think it's too loud?
No.
No.
Not at all. I think it's perfect. It's proper. It's really nice.
Well, I don't even know if I can deal with that.
Stop being a wet cunt.
I don't know, mate. Would you enjoy this every day?
Yes, I would. You don't understand that, and I've got 4 gains hanging out the side. But yeah, baby, your ex-boyfriend's car's quieter than mine. Disagree with me. And then I'd be like, rev, rev, vroom, vroom. I'm in the mum's car. Do a fucking sick overtake.
George, I'm not breaking the law here, alright?
Oh, sorry.
What, that sound there? It's
Yes,
so annoying,
I love that.
It's a lot louder back here.
I'm sure you take out the back seats, it'll be even louder, mate. Jesus. Who thinks on the channel I should fully review this car? I mean, obviously, even without the exhaust, it's an incredible piece of kit. You know, a relatively decent sports car for what, sub 15 grand, so it's pretty decent. But I'm super down to do it, and it's just a matter of getting a Corley convinced. Oh, here we go, green lights. Hey!
That ass just sinks, boy.
Yeah. too loud.
It's not too loud, Corley.
Fuck me, man. I'm gonna give someone.
The louder the fucking better. How many of you guys agree? Smash the thumbs up if you agree. Let me know in the comment section if you agree too. I didn't have time to get the GoPros out of the house, boys. Give it some beans. So I've literally just stopped the owner of these two cars here, the Clio 200 and the Leon FR, just to basically tell me if they think the car's too loud. You'll hear what they say. Corley, just give it proper beans. Go on, waste some fuel. Honestly, this car is incredible. So loud. Absolutely ridiculous. Honestly, this thing is ridiculous. Yeah, it's just... It's awesome. Go tell him that. Make him feel better. Right, Corley, they'll tell you now.
Your noise is perfect.
No, sick.
Louder.
That looks loud. That looks like Miltech or Mongoose or something.
Miltech.
Yeah?
It's not loud.
Is it just catback? Yeah. Get a downpipe on it. I just ordered one. I approve, Matt. He's going to let me have a go in a minute. He doesn't mind if I get stopped by the cops. Honestly, it's...
Yeah.
Look at these. Both nice cars. I saw one of these at work the other day and it was returned because it was rusty. A 10 plate as well, funny enough.
Was it the subway?
I don't know, I didn't personally see it, but you know. They are a nice car. You need to spoil on the back now.
Oh, is that
You have to buy a whole new boot.
Because it's got a GT spoiler. It's got a brake light in the spoiler. You have to buy a whole new boot.
Take the camera off first.
So it's not.
No, it's not scratching or anything.
No, it's gonna.
What's he gonna do?
It's gonna rev for me. I haven't stood behind it there. I've just been sat on it.
Right. That makes me so happy. Oh my god.
That's a bit loud, mate.
Oh, I'm loving this. Give me a sec.
I've already heard it, mate.
I bet you have. You can just hear the turbos spooling up, it's so sick. I approve a lot.
Just fucking wipe me glove box, cunt. With my fucking zip.
Thanks to these guys, they just gave us their honest opinion. I'm not going to lie, mate, that fucking yellow car's crap.
It's like 2001.
Doesn't matter about the age, because like Supras are old as fuck. It just matters that it's a Rover or an MG.
Yeah, MG, innit? MG.
MG ZR.
You need to film him.
Guys, let me know in future videos. Do you want longer clips that are less edited, or do you like the edited stuff? It's always a difficult thing to work out when it comes to, you know, audience retention. It's so loud. Love it. These nuts. Mama chicken, my boy. Mama chicken, my boy.
Mama, cheeky my boy! Mama, cheeky my boy!
Explain to the viewers what that means.
Right, so.
It's like mama, cheeky, mama.
Hey, oh, mama, cheeky! You cheeky mama!
Tell them what it means.
I don't know what it means, George. It can mean a.
We were under the influence a few years ago and temporarily came up with our own language.
And that just, it just stuck. It just stuck. And, you know, if we were lost, if we were separate, if we got separated, mama cheeky my boy.
Car behind me.
But you're just looking at my face.
I'm not looking at your face, I'm looking at the car behind me.
Oh, it's an ST.
Down here it's going to be so loud. Right, finally we're going to pull over and I'm going to just pull over just over the car grid so people can actually see you. Okay, right, we're going to get out and have a little swap.
That means you're going to have to swap seats.
Oh yes! Oh yes! Fucking got to slide this one back, haven't we?
Ah! Ah!
Is that enough?
Hit me fucking.
Just while we're here. We have a problem. Look.
We've got an issue.
There you go. Is the lens like? Okay, yeah, the lens is all good. So pointed at me, so like good angles.
Yeah.
Okay, so just to give you guys a brief idea, those of you that didn't understand earlier, it's an M135i. It's a 2008 3-litre twin turbo running, what, 400 brake?
Yeah.
With a straight through exhaust as of today. No cat. Anyway, sorry, a bit of a cough. 19.2 miles per gallon. And Corley has, oh my god.
Don't stall it.
I'm not going to stall it, mate. I'm going to see if I can drive it quietly first, because I'm trying to convince Corley that driving this around town's fine, so...
My hand's a bit shaky on the camera. Definitely convincing me so far.
Right guys, I'm just going to pop it into second gear and do a light acceleration. Obviously with any car it's going to take a few goes to really learn to manipulate the engine and get from it what you want. But this is a very user-friendly car, it's a very drivable car. What are they worth? Like between 10 and 13, obviously based on spec. Ignore the squeaking brake. If your brakes don't squeak, your car's not fast enough. That's the way that we all look at it. There is a looks like a. Oh, this is going to echo like fuck if we went in there, bro.
Yeah, you should go round, mate.
Yeah, we're going to go round there now. Face it at me, not at the fucking wall. All right?
Sorry. Excuse me, Corley. Are you a good cameraman or no? No! Fucking hell!
Definitely,
Oh my god.
definitely subtle.
Matt, super quiet.
Yeah, turn right here.
No, damn right we're going right here. Do you want to get out and do a little film? Do you want to go to the end because it's going to be sick outside, mate? It's for your Instagram,
Well, do you want to fucking what?
mate. Get out, trust.
Pick me back up then.
I'll come with ya.
Come with me. Oh, if I can take you.
Hey, go on.
Right, guys. He's gonna make me fucking. He's a fucking shit driver.
Knows best. Hey, cool. It's just a thing, mate. We've got access to all his subscribers at the moment.
Oh no. What should we do to him?
Well,
Fuck. And he says to me that's not too loud.
I don't know. To be fair, mate, there was 4 ducks there.
Yeah.
Now they're all dead.
Shit.
Mate, they're actually dead.
Is the cunt going all the way around? I think he is, you know.
Bye, George.
Well, my phone's in there, my fucking... He's robbed me. But, yeah, just look at that view, it's fucking banging, isn't it? Mind the unsuitable for coaches and... Shoddy.
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 Yeah, definitely not trained cameraman. Don't do YouTube. Corey, what's your Instagram?
Macaulay Mules.
Mine's
All one line.
all one line.
All one line. MACAULEYMULES. You can follow all my car, like whatever I do with my car. Like I've done loads of stuff to it. You just should go have a look and check it out. Edit this, George, because it's fucking shit. Alright?
Well, it's gone quiet, so that's worrying.
Well, he owes me 15 grand. Oh no, he's coming back. It's not as loud as I thought it was going to be though. Like, what, outside.
Yeah.
Like, I thought it was going to be like completely fucking deafening.
Fucking hell! Boys, this is a baller's whip right here. Honestly, better than any Focus. I'm sorry to all you Ford lovers. Corey, this is what you want right here, mate. You got traction control? Huh? You got traction?
I'm not letting you turn it off, though, mate. It is savage.
You ready?
Yeah, I'll just drive it gentle, he said.
And he's trying to convince us that you can drive that around town.
Yeah.
Just, you know, there's a car coming as well.
Shit.
Seriously, this is actually a sick car. Honestly, it's fucking cool. Like even the wind mirror is turned down when you're reversing. Yeah. Honestly, this is awesome. As much as I love a Focus, guys, if you can get your hand on an M135i, I would. I mean, you can piss off your neighbours, but it's worth it. You gonna get in? We're gonna go around Borough Tour?
No, I've wasted like half a tank.
Or just go home?
Yeah, we'll have back to yours if we
Let's drive to that little cave bit. Have 1 or 2 reps. Just off camera, Corley's like, oh, I've got a pot noodle in the glove box. Oh, that guy's fucking running away from someone.
That's your man.
So George, obviously being the only person in the car does take a lot of weight out of it. What would your
Obviously, I'm not going to fully send it because it's not my car.
No.
Yeah.
But it's really, really nice. It's just so easy to drive and it's such a cool car. Honestly, we're going to do a full review of this in the future and I will contribute towards Corley's petrol. But honestly, if you guys like this car and would like to know more about it, then by all means let me know in the comment section. Obviously the rating in terms of like likes and dislikes and stuff makes a huge difference as to whether I you know, do other stuff in the future. Gauging interest is what it's all about. Now this is a little area where we may piss off some people, but you know, it's very bumpy and I've been here a few times, so don't worry, I do know what the bumps are.
I can't see them.
Mate, they're everywhere, literally.
Oh no.
You know, the Nissan Qashqai is owned by the poorest, lowest earners in terms of money.
Really?
Yeah, so at work they tell us that I'm not saying if you own a Nissan Qashqai that you're poor, I'm just saying that the majority of low income households have Qashqais. See if I can
Let's give it like 2 revs and then we'll fuck off.
Oh, it's so fucking loud. I'm gonna piss everyone off, it's gonna be great. And this is you're probably getting bored of all the revs now, frankly, guys, but you know, it was finished work, I had an extra hour, we left a bit early, and I figured I'd get some footage. But It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm just going to go and take it back to the cattle grid where I got in, and going to let the owner, which is sat right here, Corley, I'm going to link his Instagram in the description, and if Zach wants to as well, I'll chuck his Instagram for filming me in the old info page underneath the video.
I did try to say it earlier, but
Corley, stop stressing, man.
I'm gonna have to do it for it. We'll do it. Ready?
As always, big respect if you've watched the end of the video, but fucking hell, mate, you may have a nice car, but you can't park for shit.